Hey, what's up, VeChain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the VeChain. What's the current price of VeChain? What's the price change occurring in the VeChain? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, first of all, if we look the VeChain currently price and the currently price change occurring in the VeChain. So, my friends, first of all, don't worry about the price change of the VeChain. I know at this time the price change of the VeChain is going down, but this time the whole cryptocurrencies price change is still negative, my friends. So don't worry about that. Today is the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down, so don't worry. And you can see here, my friends, the latest price of the VeChain is 0.77818 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the VeChain in a USD dollar, my friends. My friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about VeChain. My friends, the price change is negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, last 7 day price change is negative completely. If this change is negative, so this means that you are in the loss, my friends. This is why you're worrying about the VeChain. But don't worry, my friends. I have advice, I have a solution to how you can save yourself from loss, my friends. And you can see here, my friends, from this price chart, this is last 1 week, last 7 days price chart of the VeChain. And from this chart, everyone can understand that we are on the loss completely faster in the VeChain, my friends. Negative 31.27%, the price is going down. So if the price is still negative, so that means that you're in the loss. That's why I recommend for everyone to please hold it, don't decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss. If you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to please don't decide to sell and don't decide to buy more and more. My personal advice, my special advice for all of you is that please hold. Holding is the only way to solve your problem. Hold it, don't decide to sell. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.